Good morning. This is video about doing nothing. Doing nothing is as important as doing something. So this art should also be practiced. Sometimes just relax, be still, do nothing and see the difference. Like doing something in a focused manner, just not doing anything is very much important. Relax in that period and have a good time. We generally do not just sit. We are in habit of doing something. We have a tendency to start browsing our digital devices when we don't have anything to do. So that should not be done. Even if we have to use some digital devices, that should be done in a planned manner. But when we are sitting still, we should just sit still. We should relax as much as possible so that our energies are preserved for a better work. Doing nothing is important. Doing something is important. When you do something, do it in a focused manner. When you are not doing something, you should not do anything else. Meditate, practice relaxed breath, practice no thought stage. Sometimes don't allow any thought to enter your mind. And if you notice thought is entering, then let it pass. It will come and go. Just be aware of it. So don't allow any other important work to interfere in your relaxed stage. Be careful about using digital devices. We have tendency to use digital devices whenever we are free. Actually, that is not a proper utilization of our free time. When you are free, when you want to remain free, you should remain free. No such interferences, no such distractions of digital devices should be there. Start your day when your energy level is high. Do important work first. Don't just start browsing data and replying emails. That should be kept for some other time. Start your work by completing in 25 minutes. If the work is bigger, you divide it into doable chunks of 25 minutes each. There should be a gap of 5 minutes after every chunk. This way you should complete your work. And when you are free, during gap, you should be totally free. You should be relaxed. You should do nothing time to time. So doing nothing time to time is as important as doing something. So please use your proper time of 5 minutes or whatever bigger gaps you have in a proper manner so that your energy level is maintained for bigger work. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. If you want to ask something, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll be glad to respond. Please thumbs up and bell button so that whenever I post my video, you are informed accordingly. Thank you very much.